Hey guys, I'm Brad and today I will share 5 practical tips on CapCut to improve your editing skills. These are the text-to-speech function, the HSL Color Grading, movie effects, speed changing and green screen effects. Now I will give you the basic guidance to these functions. First we need to shoot a video, or you can save a video clip that you like to follow these instructions. First open CapCut. Click plus to import the video you just shot or just saved. The first function, text reading function. After we add text to the video, we can choose the text-to-speech function below. After selecting, the system will automatically add dubbing to it. We can also edit the audio, such as changing the speed or adding voice effects to it. The second function, HSL Color Grading. For edited videos, we can first select the video, click Adjust and select HSL. You'll see 3 parameters, hue, saturation and luminance. Based on a particular video, we can choose the color we want to adjust and adjust the parameters accordingly. The third function, movie effect. First click filter, then click the scent filter under the movie section and adjust the parameters of the filter. Then click effect. Add the movie effect under the basic effects section. Finally, drag to adjust the length of the effect to align with the video. And here we get the movie effect. The fourth function, speed change. Click to select a video clip. Click speed and choose normal to adjust the speed of the video. You may also customize your speed by choosing curve instead of normal to give the video a stronger contrast. The fifth function, green screen. Import a clip as a background material, select overlay and import a piece of green screen material. Click on the green screen material. Select chroma key. Hold and drag the color picker to the green screen section. Readjust the intensity and shadow, and then the video background is successfully replaced. Now you know these 5 super useful functions. With these functions, CapCut editing will be super easy and convenient. To everyone watching this demonstration, click the button below to download CapCut now. Come and join me for more interesting videos.